You're looking at the ECISD elementary food menu for this week. Let's get started. On Monday for breakfast, we'll have an assorted cereal bowl, fruit, juice, or milk. And for lunch, we'll have orange chicken with sauce, steamed rice, broccoli florets, dill-seasoned carrots, fruit, and milk. On Tuesday for breakfast, we'll have a cinnamon toast crunch soft bar, fruit, and milk. And for lunch, we'll have breaded beef fingers, garlic toast, mashed potatoes, green beans, fruit, and milk. On Wednesday for breakfast, we'll have a biscuit with a chicken patty, fruit, juice, or milk. And for lunch, we'll have a hamburger or cheeseburger, burger salad, potato tater tots, fruit, and milk. On Thursday for breakfast, we'll have a strawberry Pop-Tart, fruit, and milk. And for lunch, we'll have pulled pork tacos with corn tortillas, homemade fideo, seasoned pinto beans, lettuce and tomato salad, fruit, and milk. On Friday for breakfast, we'll have an apple cinnamon cereal bar, fruit, juice, or milk. And for lunch, we'll have a breaded chicken or fish burger, burger salad, sweet potato waffle fries, fruit, and milk. Thanks for tuning in to this week's elementary food menu. If you want to stay updated with these weekly elementary food menus, then follow us on all of our social media platforms at Edinburg CISD.